The new AUDI A5 Android 12 wireless auto CarPlay system is designed to enhance the driving experience for AUDI A5 models from 2011 to 2016. This advanced car video player and GPS navigation system features an 8.8-inch HD touchscreen with a resolution of 1280 by 480 pixels, providing a clear and engaging interface for all your multimedia needs. Powered by the Android 12 operating system, the unit is equipped with a Qualcomm 8-core processor running at a main frequency of up to 2.0 GHz, 8 GB of running memory, and 128 GB of storage memory, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. The built-in DSP chip offers various scene mode sound effects including pop audio, rock audio, and theater audio. This feature enhances audio quality and allows you to enjoy a tailored listening experience based on your preferences. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless interaction between your smartphone and the car's new screen. This integration allows you to access apps, navigation, and media effortlessly, enhancing your driving convenience. These features ensure that you can enjoy your favorite media while driving, making your journeys more enjoyable. The navigation system supports Google Maps, Eco Maps, and other map applications, providing reliable and customizable navigation options. Bluetooth 5.0 technology is integrated into the system, ensuring clear and reliable sound quality even at high speeds. The split screen function is particularly useful, allowing you to view navigation and video content simultaneously on the screen, enhancing both convenience and usability during your drive. The reversing system is compatible with your Audi's existing reversing image function. If your original car does not have this feature, the system includes a reversing camera as a gift, but please inform the seller in advance. Additionally, the system retains all original vehicle functions, including steering wheel buttons, original CD, original drive, and original audio, ensuring that it integrates seamlessly with your Audi's existing controls.